batteries out. I'm not sure how much footage I'm going to be able to get just because the camera battery dies when it gets cold, and it is quite cold and windy. A little bit of snow coming down, but they said it's not going to accumulate to anything. It's just kind of wispy, but it's pretty. I'm definitely going to be making a lot of short turns today because I should have sharpened these. They're not really, yeah, it's been like 5 or 6 days since I sharpened them. Not really holding too much of an edge, although it is a bit firm. I don't know. Yeah, they need to be sharpened. go over to Timberline, see if that puppy's open. I don't think I've skied on these skis since I started this YouTube thing. So these are Blizzard Quattro 7.7s, 77 millimeters underfoot. Turn radius of 14 meters. They're 174 centimeters long. It's pretty similar to the heads, except their side cut isn't quite as aggressive and they have less camber, so they're a little less hooky. They still carve good, and I switched them out just now because the heads need to be sharpened, and these are definitely more sharp than the heads are at the moment. Yeah. So we'll see how these perform in these conditions. It's actually snowing. It just started snowing. It's starting to accumulate. There's probably about a centimeter on the ground right now. Thank you, sir. Definitely a chilly one out here. All right, top of Timberline here. So this will probably be my last run up Timberline because I can't feel my toes. It's pretty chilly up here. I'd reckon, I mean at the base it's probably like 15, but up here it's definitely under 10. There's also some wind. I wouldn't be surprised if it was sub-zero, to be honest with you. Yeah, when it's snowing like this, like just a little bit, enough to give the mountain a coat, gondola line would be so sweet to ski right now. It's so good to ski when there's just a thin little cover of snow on it. Oh yeah, this is definitely accumulating. There's a nice little, so that's a little scratched off, but there's some like wind drifts that have a nice little amount of snow on them. Take a look at this nice view. I mean, you can kind of see it at the bottom of the mountain, kind of, just a little bit. Oh yeah, there's some pow. But oh, that's scratched off. Holy shit. Yeah. Alright, this is a little too scratched off in my case. There's the snow, alright. Oh, I don't really want to go under the gun, so we're gonna go this way. Oh, this is nice. How fluffy. Nice little whales. Oh, that's a ridge. Right. Oh, this is nice. I suppose interesting should be a better word than nice to use, but it's not awful. Take sluice down. Sluice is the only thing open over on this side, so guess we'll give that a shot, see how that's performing with this little bit of snow that we're getting. A little bit of people over here. Ooh, alright, yeah, we're ripping skyline next. I gotta hit that head wall again now that it's seen some snow. It's actually not scratched off before, so it should still be good. Slow down for this traffic here. Ooh. Interesting, there are spots where there's actually some soft snow, and then it's just scratchy, or patchy actually is a better word, patches of ice. in between soft spots and someone here definitely smoking weed. We'll hit up Skyline here. Yep. I'm gonna take Sluice head wall down to Sluice. The head wall was decent this morning, and it showed like maybe a centimeter, so it should be okay. I skied yesterday, but yeah, yesterday was a bluebird actually, but ended up going with some friends who hadn't skied in a while, hadn't seen them in a while. Just took kind of a chill day. No need to record. No need to record every single day I'm up here, but I'm gonna try to hit Saddleback tomorrow, assuming I can get tickets. Pretty nice. Yeah, Saddleback, on their website it says tickets are coming soon, but I'm pretty sure you can get tickets for the day if you go there. I'm gonna have to call and confirm that before I show up and can't get a ticket. Probably be a good idea. I've never skied Saddleback before, like since actually starting to ski a lot. It's been closed for like 5 years. So it should be fun. I went there like once when I was a kid, and I remember it was extremely cold, and I did not have a good time. I don't even know how old I was. I was probably like, I don't know, under 10 probably. Yeah, these skis are definitely sharper than those other ones. I kind of forgot because I haven't skied on them in a while, but they're a little bit more stiff in the head. I've kind of forgotten about that part. Oh, I'll take the super quad over. I don't want to ride up Skyline again for whatever reason. Yep. Yep, one more run. Keep my legs, keep a little bit of energy in the legs for tomorrow. Be a bluebird day tomorrow too, which would be good.